2, 3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. Today I'm doing another productive vlog. If you like productive vlogs, make sure you subscribe because I do a lot of productive vlogs, college vlogs, and lifestyle things like that. And also make sure to leave a comment down below because it really supports me, helps me grow. Also, I just like talking to you guys, so I reply to every comment. And my house is gonna be loud today because my mom is babysitting, but I have to run a couple errands with my sister. That's what we're about to do right now, but it looks like a gloomy day, so I might just throw on a hoodie. As you seen earlier, I washed my bed set, so that's why it doesn't have like sheets and stuff on it. Okay, but let's get started with our day. Okay, so this is what I had on, but I think I'm gonna throw on this hoodie. Should we do a little transition? I don't know if that transition worked, but as you can see, this hoodie says drink water, which you should every single day. I love this hoodie. It's from pronounced Tachi. And the back is so cute as well. You can't really see. It's so cute and it's a sustainable hoodie, so it's good for the planet. I sound like I'm sponsored, but I'm not. I just really love it. And then I'm wearing my Crocs per usual. I'm just carrying this bag that I showed you guys in my last vlog, so that is the fit for today. Let's see what we have to do today. Okay, so this is my to-do list for today. I have to wake up at 9:30, which I woke up a little later. Make my bed, but I washed all my things, so I'll make that later. Coffee plus breakfast. Desk shopping, question mark, because I want to find a desk, but I don't know if I'm going to find one today. If I don't, we have a desk in the living room that we don't use, so I might bring that in here. I have to plan my week. I have to get ready. I had to take my iron pill because your girl got low iron, and to finally start taking her pills. I have to film, which I'm doing now, run errands with my sister because she has to get like a tire or something. Morning affirmations, which we will do in a minute. I washed my bed set already, and then clean. So yeah, that is our day today. Okay, so these are my positive affirmations that I try to say every day, which I don't, but I try to. Yeah, I just try to repeat them in front of the mirror. So we're gonna do it today. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me add some chapstick first because I'm a little chapped. Better. Okay, so I'm most likely gonna put the desk over here. So I need to clean out this thing and then move it out of my room because, as you can see, most of my junk goes on here, so it's a good thing I'm getting it out of my room. this floor like not have anything on it, but it won't be like that for long. Hey guys, welcome to the office. I don't know why I'm so excited about this desk, but I am. I feel like I'm in an office, you know? I'm getting major school office vibes, and I like it. I didn't decorate it fully because I still need to get some stuff to decorate my desk. I might do a little prep with me for starting online classes video, so stay tuned for that. But first, we gotta check off the stuff that we did in our to-do list, so let's get to that. Okay, so we actually did a lot today. I still just have to make my bed once I get it out the dryer. It's probably done by now. And then I still need to plan my week, which I think I'm about to do right now. Okay, so this is what I did so I can plan my week. I just put weekly spread. It's kind of not cute, but yeah. Now I just have to fill in the things that I have to do throughout the week. I usually don't do this, but I'm just trying something new, seeing if I like it. So yeah. Okay, so this is all that I have so far. This is basically just like YouTube stuff, and I don't know what else I'm doing throughout the week. I usually don't really have any other plans besides YouTube. That's why I'm going so hard with my YouTube schedule. So yeah, it gives me something to do. And then classes start on Monday. So happy and excited for that. Well, next Monday. I'm going to vlog it, and I'm excited for the school vlogs. I know you guys are too. We're gonna be lit. So I'm gonna chill out right now. Julia just uploaded a productive vlog, and I'm gonna watch it. And yeah, I also need to charge my camera battery because this is a little low. So yeah, my house is loud, so sorry if you can hear that. Okay, so I'm eating now. My mom just whipped up some food. Well, my sister made the rice, but I'm gonna use my lap desk. But anyway, she made some roast and some rice and some broccoli and potatoes, but I made potatoes or broccoli, so I'm just eating the roast and rice. And I put hot sauce in it because I put hot sauce in everything. Almost everything, not everything really. But hot sauce just makes it so much better. I love spicy foods. What's up? I just got out the shower. Now I'm gonna wash my legs because, honey, I'm a dry ass bitch, so I need to moisturize. Okay, I'm moisturized now. Let's do our skincare. I had no idea how close it was for me going back to school. I kind of want to get my hair done again. Like, I know I just got it done, but I kind of just want it longer, and I want the braids smaller because it's kind of thick. That means I would have to get it done like this week. So I don't know about that. If it's online, it really doesn't matter. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I've been using this moisturizer cleanser from CeraVe or CeraVe, not sure how to pronounce it right, but it's a hydrating facial cleanser because, like I said, I'm a dry ass bitch, so I need to hydrate. But yeah, I think it's been doing pretty good on my skin. Like, I mean, there's that, but and that. This is not even a bump, it's just darker. So there's that, but overall my skin is doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy, no complaints, but I don't want to jinx it. Tomorrow I can wake up with hella bumps, so let's not. Get that Verily. I just heard the full song today, guys. I have some in here since we went on vacation and I didn't use it all there, so that's what I'm using. My skincare is literally so quick. It's just a 3-step process. I lost my tripod today, so super mini one. Not lost it, I broke my other tripod, so I just ordered a new one, but this is the one I'm using for now. Luckily I have this one. Okay, so we are back at the office. Can you tell I'm excited about this desk? I've never had a desk before. That's sad. I don't know, but I'm excited to have one now. Yeah, I'm just going to see if we did everything on our checklist today. Plan week, did it, and we made our bed. Okay, I guess I'll end this video off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I might do a prepping with me for back to school online because it is super close and I still have to like get stuff from my desk and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys like that video. I could definitely do it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this productive vlog. If you've made it to this point, leave a potato emoji because I look like a potato kind of, but Miss Potato Head she was that bitch, so it doesn't matter. And because I just like to see who watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke, so leave that down below. But yeah, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, okay, the office is closed, I gotta go.